Isabel Gustafson, Associate Editor for C-Store Decisions. Habanero Cream Cheese Tornados are back by popular demand. Spicy, bold flavors resonate with a large portion of convenience store hot-to-go consumers. With habanero cream cheese filling and a fiery seasoned shell, Habanero Cream Cheese Tornados pack every bite with flavor. Try bundling with an ice-cold fountain drink for a bigger ring. Tornadoes are perfect for roller grills, ovens, or fryers, and they can be served from a hot case with up to a 4-hour hold time. All right, let's give these a try. They're really good, and I think they'll make a great snack for any customer who's on the go and who loves spicy food.